Hey there, Paul Rhodes with a Maintenance Mindset Minute. If you have shower tiles at your community and you want to know if those tiles are still good for years to come, one of the best tricks I ever learned was actually as a pool builder. The waterline tile that goes around the swimming pool is attached to a portion of the pool called the bond beam. That bond beam holds the shape underneath the deck of your swimming pool. If the waterline tiles begin to fail, water will intrude the bond beam, cause it to degrade, and then the tile itself begins to fall out, and that causes other problems. What I'm saying here is that the damage to the tile actually begins behind the tile. When the grout lines, as seen here in this tile wall, when those grout lines begin to fail, water intrudes and it degrades the wall behind the tile. Often, we don't see it until the tile begins to fall off. A good way to test, which I did on swimming pools, and you can do in your bathtub or shower area, is you take a piece of wood. I have a small dowel here. I've used 2x4s, 1x1s, 2x2s, whatever longer piece of wood that you have. And what you do is you run that wood up and down the grout lines. And when the wood hits the grout line, you'll hear a little tick sound. If that sound is solid, you know that the tile is adhered to the wall behind very, very well. Every once in a while, you'll hear a hollow tock sound. That sound indicates that the tile is beginning to remove from the drywall, or in the case of a swimming pool, from your bond beam. That's when you should begin repairs immediately. Don't put them off, because that damage will continue to grow. And the longer it grows, the harder it is to repair. Stay tuned for more.